Hi YouTube. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Motorola T800 two-way radios. This is a new set of radios from Motorola. We'll go ahead and start by opening the box. I've already placed the batteries inside, but these are the standard Motorola batteries. In addition to the stuff that's here and the two batteries that are inside, you also get a set of stickers, and I'll explain why in a minute. You get your manual and then a list of accessories. This set comes with two handheld radios. The clips just clip on there. And the battery is accessed through this little switch. And this is the battery that you see here. And then these charging points are for the desktop charger. And I'll go over that in just a second too. And then there's a switch right here that is a lock-unlock switch. You just take your clip and clip it on. This is a USB and to 110. They also have a, you can get separately a 12 volt with similar two USBs out. And on the side, they plug in here. When you close it, then it becomes weatherproof. These are the stickers to identify what they are. And the stickers go on the bottom. You can see right there. There you go. These are to identify the radios because you're going to pair these with your phone. To go over these, I'll pull this one. You've got a blue on the outside, and as best I can tell, all the US models have this blue. There is one that I don't think it uses the app support. It might, but it definitely does the easy pairing. And it's a yellow, and that's either in, well, it's somewhere in Europe. I'm not sure exactly where. On this side, you have a flashlight button, and then you have your, similar to other Motorola radios, you've got a high power, low power transmit, I believe 1/2 watt, 2 watts, depending on your channel setting. Then you have this pairing button, which we'll go over in a second. You have this alarm button, which we'll go over in a second also. And then again, this is your USB control. You have your connector that's here. This is for your shoulder mics and things. And then your volume, power on knob, and your flashlight. To start, you take and turn it on. And as you can see, the display is black when it's off, and then blue here. And as you can see, it's on, but the screen basically went to sleep. And it's going to have a constant blinking button here to let you know it's on. This is the flashlight button right there. And it's not anything you're going to use to go searching in caves, but it is a decent light if you need it. This button here is your emergency button. And what this does is you hold it down, the volume goes to 100%, and it sends off kind of a wobble tone, and then it also sends a message through the app on the phone, which we will go over in a second. And I'll give a demonstration of that here. So you're going to take and hold this down. What are the benefits of these radios? And I'll get this box and point out the details that come on the box. All right, so right here, get this all framed up. All right, so on the front, so we can start on the top. That's probably a good spot to stop. So here you have mobile app enablement, easy pairing, weatherproof IPX4, and that's the splashing, not full waterproof. But I think that's splashing and dust from any direction. And then share and track location off-grid. I'm going to go over why that's pretty important here in a second. Okay, then this is what the app looks like. And we'll go over that in a second too. And then this is the model, T800, it's Motorola, obviously we've already said that. And then it gives you a picture diagram of kind of what the app looks like so you can see it on the box, to your warranty, and you can view your location, view group location on the map. you can record routes and tracks, you can set boundaries like geofences, and then control radio settings with the app, and we'll go over that also. And then on here it has the ranges. They're a little stretched like normal, but it says 35-mile range, and then water 6 and neighborhood 2. We were able to get 2 miles is pretty realistic, 1 mile in urban Dallas. Rural, these are 2-watt radios when they're on high, half-watt when they're down. So you probably will get, 3 or 4 miles, maybe 5, in the very rural areas and not urban. And then on the back, you've got a basic depiction of what's going on. So you have your phone, Bluetooth to the radio, doing these activities, and they're talking to each other. Easy pairing, that's pairing it with your phone, or that is being able to go from this radio, making this a leader radio, and then taking this radio and any others in the group. You can change these settings, and then it'll change the whole group. Dual power. So once again, let me demonstrate this a little better. So you can slide this little lock, and then this right here, so you pull it out, and this is the Motorola power pack, and has a little picture on what to do. But in here, it can hold 3 AA batteries. And Midland also does that, which is why I'm a huge fan of this type of thing, is because it gives you lots of power choices.